welcome back to the Hayley Daily. I am in the mood for cookies. Should I be eating cookies? Probably not, but I wanted to make something delicious. I didn't want to buy store-bought cookies. I wanted them homemade. I wanted them caramelly. I love caramel. And so I figured I would whip up my extreme caramel cookies. And I figured I would film it for you guys so you can make them at home too, because they're really easy and it can all be done in one bowl. So let me show you the ingredients. Okay, now the good part, the caramel deliciousness. So, you could put in pretty much whatever you wanted into this cookie base. It doesn't necessarily have to be what I'm using. You could use chopped chips, you could use nuts, you could, whatever. For me, I am doing a mix of caramel chip chips and Rolo. So the Rolo I have just cut up into little tiny bits like this. And I'm gonna mix them in. These are gonna be so sweet and so delicious. Now, once you've mixed all your ingredients together, as I showed you, super simple, super easy. Now you need to refrigerate it. Some people leave it in for 30, some people leave it in for 24 hours. For me, I like to leave it in there for a couple of hours just so I can really firm up the batter. So let's fast forward in time and show you what these bad boys look like once they're cooked.